It's your girl Kpcutie. I'm back with you cutie pies with another video, and it's Vlogmas day. Oh, it's 8, the day I was born. So guys, today is a lot of things store. I don't remember what I discussed or what we're doing. So I don't know if we're going to the cafe or we're gonna go to shopping. We might, well, dinner's tomorrow. So I'm going to record that dinner tomorrow. So, but yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today. So before we get into this video, I just want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified when I post a video. And also go follow my social media pages, my link down in the description box below, so you can go ahead and follow all of me right there at once. And yeah, let's get into the video. I'm wearing my cute little outfit that I have showed you guys in my haul. If you guys did not see my haul for Vlogmas Days 2 or Vlogmas Days 2, where I have showed you my outfits I've been stacking up for you guys for December, take pictures with it, guys, so you can guys see. I'll answer right here or right over there. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get finished dressed. I need to go do my makeup. I need to go put on some stockings to go under these and put my combat boots on. And I'm gonna definitely wear my fur hat because it matches. So I'm gonna wear my fur hat and my fur purse that I also showed you guys. I'm gonna change my stuff all into this, and don't it matches? Like, look cute. Like, ain't that a vibe? But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, finish getting dressed, and I'll see you guys back in the car. But before we do that, our scent of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out this one because I like this smell, and I'm gonna mix it with this one. Just mix these two. I don't know, you guys, like, girl, you already did that last time. I just like mixing these two. They smell good. Like, once you put it on, it's like life. So here's your sprit for the day, and here's your sprit for the day. Okay, now time to get finished dressed. Bye.
And it's all because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest, I write it down, you know it's happening. Working on my dream life. And my bank account be real fine.
I'm looking for Letterman. I don't care. I know it's not my birthday, but I'm still gonna look.
Last time we came here.
I really like this jacket. It's so cute. You got stitching on this. Oh, mine was being snatched from this jacket. Feature as me. Look at this. That is. That go great with that shirt. The one shirt that you were showing me earlier, right there.
Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hold on. No, it matches. It's cute. You like that?
I do.
Got my skincare, yeah, I glow, shine. You can see me from the moon. From the moon, yeah. How you been wasting your time? Yeah, you worry about the way I've been running this fight. Hold
so you didn't.
Please proceed to register 7.
Good. I went from the best.
Who?
You?
I'm wearing something kind of like that tomorrow. The same kind of pants, but different fabric.
Go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
There's food court downstairs.
Cause last year was a mess, but I'm growing up. Thanking God that I'm so blessed, yeah, He showed me love. Said, girl, don't cheat yourself unless get you close. And it's all. Cause I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me.
You got it? I actually like that.
Nice.
Not what you're looking for.
It's the best one.
No.
Where you want to go?
Well, we gotta play somewhere for you. First of all, right? China Max is cool.
Be in the water. I was like, how you get the stuff on you and you'll die if they bite you. But then y'all drink the water that they in. Explain it to me.
Well, they did. I don't know. They
They
still.
probably burnt it because when you cook it,
Oh, because remember when Daryl went to the water and he did the water like this and then the dad came out the water?
Yeah.
It's too many parts of The Walking Dead that were not real for me.
I know.
Well, they probably.
Made me be like,
Yeah, that was bad writing.
yeah. Y'all didn't think that part through.
Yeah.
The water the whole time bothered me.
Yeah, there was a scene like that yesterday. I don't know what it was, but I was just like, that don't make sense because there's no.
Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest the down, you know it's happening. And I eat anything that I want. I got a belly, got a booty, got the dun.
I got caught. This fisherman trying to get me.
Can you film this?
see.
I don't know, but I'm just gonna rip it out this way.
Brandon, I ripped my hair. Oh, same, my hair.
Your head? Don't rip your head. Got
Yeah,
it.
don't rip my head.
Girl, what did you do?
I got my hair.
Stop trying out.
Listen.
I didn't.
Pictures I was looking at the other day. That is too short. But it's cute though. It don't look short on me, but it's cute.
Have a great day.
They got them red and white. What about? Nope.
I'm on the grind, I level up, I do it just for fun. See you watching, take a picture, then a lust for love.
Is this a puppy boot? It's a puppy boot. Oh, I'm getting one of these soon. A puppy boot. That is so cute.
More said she.
Oh. This is cute.
Cause we don't deal with drama. Nah, you wanna hit, you gon' get karma.
Just in time.
Look at the scenery. I'm so excited right now.
Nah, we living big, we gon' get nah. You look at me, you like ooh la la. Yeah. Tell me where's the truth, I see fake. Yeah, that won't shut.
Tiger sugar, and it's actually also most popular. Tiger sugar? Alright, and you want a regular or large size? It's only $1 difference. Regular? Sure. What topping for that? So we have the boba. For the tiger sugar, I would recommend either the regular boba or the brown sugar. If you don't want any of those options.
Cause I be doing me, you do you, baby, you should do you. Switch
On my shoulder, eat the pussy, let you loop up, never too much, got me sick.
Cause last year was a mess, but I'm growing up. Thanking God that I'm so blessed, yeah, show me love. Say, girl, don't cheat yourself unless get your glow.
Bettering ourselves and just being, authentically.
Yeah, You want to
I
roll
see
that
them-
footage where you
I see
just
the
randomly
flower.
called everyone?
The only few people that see this flower in the moon.
What?
There's only a few people that see the flower in the moon.
These niggas can't stay.
Okay, cuties, we're back at home. After we went to the boba shop, I got my boba tea, and let me tell you guys, what I thought that was gonna be like boom, it was like boom, meaning it was good. So I'm definitely now gonna probably be, instead of drinking coffee, because I was a caffeine addict, now I'm a boba addict. So just went from one thing to another now. But I am so happy. Happy birthday celebration, because I celebrated my birthday before my birthday, like the day of the birthday, and yeah, I was so happy. I got my stuff. I got me a leather jacket, got me leather pants, got me, because I love me some leather, like leather stuff, everything leather. Got me a fur coat, boba, food, and shopping, being around scenery. It was on fleek, looked cute and good. I'm about to go ahead and get wine, but before we do that, you know what time it is. Day number 8, which I'm pretty much, this probably might be a snowman or something like that. There it is, number 8. Oh, there's my cute boots in the background, so cute. Still didn't do that. I'll get around to it eventually. But we're gonna go ahead and open up number 8. Look, guys, this cute little star. Oh my god, he's so cute. It kind of reminds me of a northern star. Like, I really like those kind of stars. I even wanted like a necklace like that, and my mom got one, and she had an earring set. So, yeah, I really like northern stars. Like, there's something special about them. Just draws me in. Just like how I like the pears automatically out the womb. Same thing with northern stars. I don't know why, but yeah, let's go ahead and eat this. It's really good, guys. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and unwind. But I just want to end up come on to here and tell you guys, that's this video, kids. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I post a video. And also go to all my social pages, link down in the description box below, with my link tree, where you can go ahead and follow me all my social media pages right there at the same time. And yeah, don't forget to go comment down below which part of the video like. If you guys love to see me celebrate my birthday, or celebrate in general, because I love celebrating, especially the day of December, which is sad season, ending half of November and the beginning of November, which is sad season. So hope you guys enjoy your Saggy birthdays. If you rest of my Saggies out there haven't enjoyed your lit birthday, comment down below Team Sag, because Saggies we're over here lit and having fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this early celebration, because the real thing of my real birthday is coming up next, where we're gonna have fun and party like no other. We're pretty much just gonna dinner and have fun, chill out, since we went to boba place today. But I might get my mom to go back to go get more boba, because that was good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out. Enjoy your Vlogmas and birthdays, because I know my other viewers out there, your birthdays is up the same day as mine. So hope you guys enjoy it, and see you guys next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.
Take